They say that machines in itself are capable of outdoing its makers or the human race. But would you believe that there are just innovations that were made to even go beyond the limits created for machines? In today's Mighty Machines video, get ready to get your mind blown as we talk about these heavy equipment assembly lines that operate at insane levels. Starting strong, we have the Liebherr LTR 1220, a crawler crane that combines the power of a telescopic crane and a crawler crane. The telescopic crane allows a shorter setup time, simpler transport, and the variability of its boom system. It can be extended or retracted easily with full automation depending on the length needed. Hence, it can hoist heavy loads to great heights using the powerful telescopic boom and jibs. The crane can also travel with a full load on the hook without needing any auxiliary crane on site as it's self-erecting. This crane has a maximum load capacity of 220 tons. Its crane can also be moved easily even when a full load on the hook through its pick and carry principle. Then, it can also carry out crane work at a lateral angle of up to 4 degrees even when the track width is reduced. Even when working with tasks concerning off-the-road handling, its performance and maneuverability are still superb thanks to its crawler travel gear. When things get narrow or the space gets very limited, the crawler carrier width can be hydraulically adjusted. In order to assemble any large crane, erecting its jib arm should first be done. Usually, ballast counterweights are used to balance both sides of the crane. However, Liebherr decided to switch things up a bit. A Liebherr LTR 1220 telescopic crawler crane, which was at the site anyway for setup work, was used by Helling as a counterweight for lowering and erecting the large LR 1600 2 crane rather than the usual ballast blocks. The 200-ton LTR 1220 was used to balance out the LR 1600, which has a 60 meters long boom. This did not only serve its purpose, but also improved efficiency and safety of the process significantly. This also removed the need for balanced transport and on-site handling. From here, we can say that cranes like these are also very functional as counterweights for erecting operations. Since we started off with an operation led by Liebherr, let's now move on to another one but on very icy heights. During the construction of Europe's tallest building, the Lachta Tower, 4 Liebherr tower cranes were continuously there. This 430-meter tower was built with the help of 4 special tower cranes Liebherr built specifically for this project. These cranes had to raise items as heavy as 64 tons to heights that almost reached 400 meters. Since they were working at such high places, it's possible for the temperature to go down up to negative 32 degrees Celsius, accompanied by winds that go over 130 kilometers an hour. To help with this issue, Liebherr also employed their service technicians that helped check, maintain, and ensure smooth and safe operations even in those extreme weather conditions. The third on the line is still from Liebherr. This is the Liebherr HS 8300 HD, and we'll go through some of its very fascinating features. This machine is known for withstanding especially high dynamic stresses during dragline or dredging operation. All of this is because of its strengthened steel construction and design of the unit. Through this, performance isn't only enhanced, but service life is also doubled. It also has a load capacity of 130 tons. Manufacturers were also very careful in designing this machine to the point that it actually promises 0 accidents. This is carried out by its assistance system that determines and displays the current position of the center of gravity of the machine. This greatly helps in the constant comparison of the distribution of the ground pressure to the safety limit values specified by the user in real time. It also boasts of its additional energy storage device, thanks to the hybrid drive Pactronic. This system transfers the energy stored in the accumulator back into the system, which enhances the handling performance of the crane whenever additional energy is required. Up next, we have the Liebherr Mobile Construction Crane MK88, which is a mobile construction crane made for operations in limited spaces. Thanks to its compact and flexible design, this machine can still give its very best even when it's working in densely populated inner cities. Frequently used as a taxi crane, this also offers a highly adaptable solution ideal for short-term hoisting work. It can lift up anything that weighs up to 8,000 kilograms with its boom that reaches up to 45 meters. The jib of the crane uses telescopic rods and cables, and it also has a 3-section folding that helps with very high overhead assembly. Aside from that, the operator also has a 30-meter elevated cab that it works with throughout the operation. Now you're about to see clips from the T282C Ultra Class assembly. The journey starts off at the port of Brisbane. Then it continues up to North Queensland, where all parts of the machine are collected and assembled. It's also noteworthy that these components are coming from many parts of the world too. The T282C Ultra Class really lives up to its name Ultra because it combines the high horsepower diesel engine with an electronic plus AC drive system. Its engine is capable of producing up to 3,650 horsepower. This later on results in an optimized productivity and limited fuel consumption. This machine also has a normal cargo capacity of 400 tons and a gross weight of 600 tons with the highest payload to empty vehicle weight ratio. Finally, this is the clip on the dismantling of a large tower crane by the LTM 1110-5.1. This happened at a narrow alleyway in an old town in Switzerland. The LTM 1110-5.1 is ideal for this project since it's known to be an all-rounder with compact dimensions and features, which is best when working in narrow city centers. It also has a telescopic boom that has a height of 60 meters capable of hauling up to 110 tons. To provide wider support width, this also has rear outriggers with two-stage designs. Since it was made to work on roads worldwide, different driving stats are also available. Indeed, a machine for the modern times. That was the end of today's list of heavy equipment assembly lines that operate at insane levels. We would love to know your thoughts, suggestions, and feedback in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.